We've learned that the present moment marks the turning point that will determine our outcome, for better or worse, far into the future. It is crucial that we choose between samsara and nirvana once and for all, and put the instructions of our teacher into practice. Therefore, our true hope lies in following a qualified teacher, receiving their instructions, and diligently putting the instructions into real practice. This is our only path to liberation. It is the present moment while we are still alive that is the turning point, not the moment of death. For most deceased individuals, it is extremely difficult to transfer the consciousness simply through receiving recitations. At the moment of death, if you haven't mastered the path through diligent practice, the fierce wind of your past negative actions will be chasing after you, while in front a daunting black darkness will surge towards you. If you have committed severe negative actions such as killing the Lord of Deaths, countless henchmen will be pursuing you, crying, "Kill, kill, strike, strike." How could such a moment be the turning point when you can decide whether you go up or down?